Welcome back to the Groom Family Kitchen. Today we are going to be baking my take on homemade chicken pot pie casserole, folks. So come along with me, and I'm kind of doing my own little take on a recipe that I found online. Halfway following, halfway not, so we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, we're gonna start with 2 carrots, 3 celery sticks, and 1 onion chopped, folks. Folks, we're gonna be using these chicken tenderloins, ooh, with some GOYA. We're gonna grill those out there on the grill and go from there. Alrighty, folks, I got my pan here. I'm gonna add some butter. I'm gonna heat it over medium-high heat. I'm gonna add my stuff. I'm gonna cook it, and I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, and some GOYA for extra flavor, because I like flavor. Okay, the butter is nice and melty. Well, almost, pretty much good enough. I'm gonna add these now. Success. Now I'm adding my GOYA. Very carefully, not too much. You don't want it too salty. Black pepper, folks. Black pepper. I don't have garlic, so I'm gonna be using my garlic powder. I know this is a big no-no in the Top Chef community. You can't be using powder. You know, you should be using real deal ingredients. But as I stated, I don't have it. And I'm just Chef Heidi. I'm not fancy. I got chili powder I'm gonna add. I got paprika. We're not gonna have a bland pot pie here, folks. Oh no. I'm going to add this cream of chicken condensed soup. Thank you, Campbell's. And if it's too thick, then I'm gonna add some chicken stock. As I said, I'm kind of like Frankensteining this recipe. Alrighty, the veggies have been cooking for like 5 minutes, but the carrots are still super hard, so I'm gonna add a handy dandy lid. So here we go. Added the lid, so I'm gonna cook a couple more minutes. Hopefully they'll soften up. I'm sure they'll soften up more in the oven, but I'm not sure. I wanna make sure they're soft, because nobody likes a crunchy carrot in their pot pie, am I right? Alright, that looks pretty much done to me. I'm gonna add my cream of chicken soup. And the chickens just got done on the grill. Impeccable timing. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, gross. What? What in the world? Yee! Yucky. Okay, I think I gotta add some water or something. Oh, mix soup in 1 can of water. Or milk. Maybe I'll do some, I think I have some leftover whole milk, actually, so I might do that. Please hold. It looks kind of nasty right now, but I think it's going to be good. Okay, I mixed it all together, but the thought occurs to me that this is a little runny. However, I am going to chop my chicken and add that, as I'm also going to add some frozen peas, although I'm going to cook them first so that they're not frozen. They're going to be cooked frozen peas. Start with like 4 chickens, I think, and just see what that looks like. Voila, chef, I like it. Be adding these frozen green peas, but like I said, they're already cooked, so they're frozen cooked green peas. Oh snap. This is looking so good, dude. I'm gonna stop because I don't want this to get too thick. It's probably gonna get thicker. It's gonna cook. I preheated to 375. It's gonna cook in the oven for like 20 minutes still. So I'm gonna dump it into my little pan here, and I'm gonna add my special secret ingredient. Grand's Flaky Layers, folks. I'm gonna apply this Grand's Flaky Layers right out on the top of that casserole, and then we're gonna cook it for 20 to 25 minutes or something like that. We're just gonna keep an eye on it type of thing till the flaky layers are cooked, okay? Alrighty, there you have it. I was going to open another package just so I could have 3 in each side, but maybe it's good to let it breathe a little bit so it can like bubble up. I don't know. As you know, I'm just guessing. So into the oven we go for 20-something minutes. Ooh, bubbly. Now, I don't know. They look done to me. However, I don't know if in these layers it might still be a little doughy. That's my only concern. Okay, team, it's in the oven now for a couple more minutes. A thought does occur to me. Now, I'd rather have it be overcooked because you don't want doughy, like doughy biscuits. That's just, you can't even eat it. But with the flaky layer, that's one of the many benefits of a flaky layer is if it's burnt, you can just take off the top layer. So actually, I'm just gonna let it cook and be sure there's no doughiness. And then I can just always shing off the top. It's perfect. This, I gotta eat it. I don't care anymore if it's doughy. I gotta eat this thing, and we're gonna let you know how it is after the taste test. I gotta let it cool, obviously. The thing's practically boiling out of its basket here, but yeah, we'll let you know how it goes. All right, looks pretty good here. I served it up. I think I need to let it cool a little bit longer, and we're gonna eat it, and then we'll have the taste test for you here in a couple, folks.
I thought it was really good. I enjoyed the flaky layers. Obviously, that's one of my favorite biscuits from the store. So I really enjoyed that part. Also, the mixed veggies in there, and then the chicken was really seasoned well, so you can kind of taste that, and the flavors just come together, and it's very good.
Just a reminder, folks, we season that with the GOYA. And so is that a type of recipe that you'd like to see repeated in the Kroom family kitchen?
It is.
Okay, sounds good.
Olivia, was the food
Did
good?
you like it?
You liked it? It was yummy?
All right, you heard it here first, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye.